What's up guys, everything in one, back again with another video. So, it's time to unbox another brand new smartphone by the company Xiaomi Mi 8 SE, which is one of the most powerful budget smartphone in the market now. The box looks simple, with a big letter 8 written on it. There's a SE branding too. Really, the box appearance is classic and simple. Anyways, let's quickly open the box to have a first look on the smartphone. Opening up the box, first you will get a bunch of documentations, along with a Type-C to headphone connector and a SIM ejector tool. There's also a silicone soft case, which is necessary to prevent fingerprint marks from back. So, here is the phone itself, looking great and compact. The Mi 8 SE is a cheaper, smaller version of the Mi 8, with a 5.88-inch screen and Snapdragon 710 processor. This is a bright blue color variant. Let's take it out and have a closer look at some other accessories. Here is a USB Type-C cable, which is made of good quality material. The power adapter is also here, that comes with fast charging support. So, that's all for a quick unboxing. Let's move towards the smartphone itself. Let's remove this plastic from the back, and have a closer look at its design. In terms of design, the Mi 8 SE resembles the standard Mi 8, with a slightly smaller display along with an all-glass design. In fact, this is the first smartphone which runs on the Qualcomm's first 700 series chipset, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 octa-core with Adreno 616 GPU. One thing that I hated about its design is its problem of fingerprint scuffs. Really, fingerprint marks are clearly visible, and it looks ugly to watch. Overall, I will recommend you a case that can help you to prevent ugly fingerprint marks. I don't have any more problem regarding its design department. Do let us know, what are your opinions about this smartphone? The Xiaomi Mi 8 SE has a 5.88-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, which is manufactured by Samsung, and offers 86.12% of screen-to-body ratio. The screen supports DCI-P3 color gamut, and has a 60,000 by 1 contrast ratio, and up to 600 nits of brightness. The display has vibrant colors, that makes it more attractive. As comparing to Mi Mix 2S, the bottom bezel is looking more reduced. However, Mi Mix 2S still looks better, since it doesn't have a boring notch. Overall, both the smartphones are great in their own aspects. In terms of configuration, we all know, the Mi 8 SE debuts as the world's first phone with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chipset, which is built on the 10nm process. Lags or frame drops are almost negligible in this smartphone. The phone is very smooth and snappy. Also, thanks to optimized MIUI 9 along with Android 8.1 Oreo. If you don't like gestures, you can also use home screen buttons by doing some changes in settings. However, I still prefer gestures, since it provides more snappy experience. And if you don't like that boring notch, you can hide it. So overall, company Xiaomi doesn't compromises with the look of the smartphone. What are your opinions? Will you hide the notch? Or notch doesn't matters you? You can provide your opinions in comments section below. However, I don't have any problem with that notch, so I will not gonna hide it. The Snapdragon 710 chipset inside this smartphone includes 2 cores of Creo 360 with Cortex A75 that are clocks at 2.2 GHz. There are also 6 cores of Creo 360 Cortex A55 that offers a processing speed of 1.7 GHz. Obviously, it is not as powerful like the standard Mi 8, but it is one of the most powerful smartphone under $300. The Mi 8 SE also comes with Bluetooth 5.0, with a 3120 mAh battery that keeps the light on. However, the battery doesn't feel satisfying. Anyways, that's all guys, thanks for watching. We will leave some camera samples at the last of the video. Thanks for watching, hope you liked the video, subscribe our channel for a depth review of this smartphone. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.